today we're going to be drawing a unicorn head. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and smash that like button.
And hit that notification bell so you can find out about all of our new videos coming up. So let's get started. Okay, Cora, so we're gonna start with our unicorn head.
So excited.
I know, we're very excited. Okay, so let's start off by drawing the unicorn's head. And we're gonna draw the unicorns on the side view of it. So right here, we're gonna draw this kind of shape here. Just kind of do the nose like that. All right, good. And then down here, this will be this is the mouth right here. So down below, we're gonna do kind of like her chin, like that. Good. And then right here is gonna be the neck. So we're gonna draw downward, a little bit of a curve. That's it. And then we can do her nose right here. Do a little circle, like an O shape, and you can fill it in. That's it. And then over here, so right, if you go above this, almost straight up in the middle of here, you can draw an eye. So the nose is this shape here, so just a little bit bigger than the nose. We're going to draw the eyeball. And we can color that in too, like that. Thank you. Perfect. That's it. Okay. Now, over here, there's going to be, we're going to have a piece of hair that comes from right about here, and we're going to draw like a curve one way, and then the flick back up that way. So start to the left of the eyeball, above the eyeball, yep, and then do a kind of like a little squiggly shape. That's it. All right, so and then now from that same spot, or just a little bit above, we can draw like a thicker line that comes down, and it's gonna point. Going to come to a point. All right, and now let's draw the ear. So we're going to do almost like a straight line. We're going to hook over and then come
like an upside down V.
Like an upside down V, that's right.
Mm-hmm.
So do kind of like a straight line, and then go to the left and curve it down. Good. And then inside of the ear, there's a little shape inside. So we'll do the same thing like this, a little mini one inside there. All right. Now over here, guess what we're gonna do right now?
Her horn.
Her horn, the coolest
Unicorn
part.
horn.
Yeah, the unicorn horn. This is the coolest part. So it's a pointy shape, right? We all know what that looks like. So we're gonna point it towards the right. So we'll go up and we'll come right back down like that. And that's the unicorn's horn. That's it. And then the unicorn's horn, we can do kind of like these stripe shapes. So we'll do like about 3 shapes in there. That's great. And then there's another piece of her hair on the back side. So we're gonna draw halfway where her ear is, and we're gonna go connect to the horn. And don't forget, don't draw all the way through. Just draw right towards it and then stop at the horn. But then the hair is gonna continue on the back side. So if you draw an imaginary line through there, and then we're gonna keep going, and we're gonna just come right back down like that to meet the other piece of hair. That's it. Now, there's a couple pieces of hair down over here to finish this up. So right over here, we're gonna come down like a little S shape, like that. So on the other side of the ear, yep. You can start like right about there, yeah. That's okay. And if you run out of room, that's all right. And then if you want, you can go upward, back up this way. So we're gonna start from that point and we're gonna come back up. That's it. And then now we're gonna do a similar shape. Let's start right here. And we're gonna do almost like the letter C. Watch. Do like a C that goes into kind of like an S shape. That's it, yeah. And then we'll go all the way to back at the top of her ear, and we're gonna come all the way down like this, and we're gonna come to a point.
Start at the top of her ear.
Yep. All the way down, come all the way down. That's it. And then there's one more piece down here, like this, and then curl it back up. Perfect. And then you may have a little bit of extra space, so you'll come from up here, and then you'll do like a little hook right there, all right? So watch this.
Like a hook that pirates use to like
Yeah.
eat their thing, kind of.
Yeah, like a pirate hook, yep. So we'll go like this off of her ear, and then we'll hook up, and then we'll come back down like that. Good. And then we can draw a little, her little cheek that's blushing. We can do like a little circle here, like that. Cool. And anything else we need to do?
The sparkles.
Sparkles, let's do some sparkles.
Yeah.
So let's do, you can do whatever kind of stars you want. You can do some cool stars here. We'll do a few like that. So it looks like there's a little bit of bling bling going on. Cool, I like it. Nice. And I think that's it. We just finished our unicorn head. And Cora, you did an awesome job. This looks really cool. And I think now let's go and color these up.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's do this, guys.
Cora, your unicorn head looks awesome. Good job, sweetie.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. And you guys at home watching, I think yours is looking as cool as ours does.
Wherever you are.
Yeah, wherever you are. So keep practicing, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.